Hey, in this video I want to show you how you can bring the three-dimensional puzzle what we learned in the other videos and what you can see in the list and in the set of models. We can use these as an inspiration to work on paper, and because of these all these animals are based on the 4 different lengths of sticks, we can use these sticks as stamps. So we have a limited set of shapes and length, and the same counts for the three-dimensional puzzle and also for the stamps on paper. So we can start and, for example, use one of the creatures from the catalog to start our painting with the stamps. So we start from the side view, how this giraffe, for example, looks from the side. And let's start from this angle of saying, okay, we pick one from the catalog and we translate the catalog into the paper. And of course it also works the other way around, that you can just start with a set of sticks and create your own pattern, your own creature, your own shape, and explore it on the paper. And then you have the possibility to bring it back into 3D. So there is a back and forth from 2D and 3D. And the same length of sticks gives you kind of a framework. But now we're gonna start and bring the giraffe on paper. Means we just use black ink. And then with a brush you can just paint the stamps. And you see the stamp of this length is the same like the body. So we start doing the body. Press on it. And sometimes the structure is not perfect, which is not bad because it's wood and it's okay to see the structure of wood. And that's the body. And now we do the legs. So we also paint this. And you can see if this was a little too less ink, you can just use a little more ink. And then we do the leg. And make sure you imagine also where the hole comes and how the connection is. Because if you want to bring it into wood, you need to be sure you can actually make it and use the same construction for wood. This gets a little less, so we need to add more. But yeah, for the tail, that's the tail, and the neck. That's the length of the neck. So we're gonna paint the neck, paint the stamp with black ink, and black brings us more attention to the shape. So that's why I'm, for example, only use black, because then you have all the focus on the shape and all the focus on how your structure and your figure looks like. You can also do it with other colors, but for the beginning it's easier to have less various colors and shapes. That's why we limit the amount of shapes and colors. And here also the head. So this is then the giraffe on paper. And the structure of wood makes all the stamps quite unique. So you can explore the shape through that. So we have now the giraffe on paper, and now we just start and create a new model. And start without any ideas, so we just start with this. And we can think about maybe we want to have a body in the middle, and some shape on top. And and some shape in the ground. And I don't know actually what it is, but it can be also something undefined and something what we don't know. But this is how we can start to imagine what it might be. So this is a weird shape, I don't know, maybe a kangaroo, could be a kangaroo. But it doesn't have to be something, it just can also be just inspire and to trigger our imagination. Okay, I hope you have fun. You can also send me an email and then you get these stamps from me. And they're easy to make, I can make you some or you can borrow them. And if you're done, make sure you wash it away again and then you can use them again. Okay. Have a good day, enjoy, and see you soon.